Hey guys, it's Shapara. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in today. And today we're going to be doing a CurlBox unboxing. This is not a sponsored video. I purchased this CurlBox with my own money. I receive a box every month. I'm a part of the CurlBox subscription, and it is $25 a month, $20 for the box, $5 for shipping. And this box is catered to natural hair. The care of natural hair. You get 4 to 6 full-size products, and sometimes you get specialty items such as bonnets, hair tools, flat wide tooth comb, dimming brushes. I've gotten those before. Scarves to help tie down your edges, edge control, leave-ins, deep conditioners. Amazing products, and it's usually all from the same line. Now that I've gotten all that out the way, we're going to get to the meat of the video, which is this specialty box. This is what the CurlBox came in looking like. And this month's specialty box, this is not the monthly box that I get. I have already done a review on May's CurlBox, and I'll link it up in the cards. Please go take a look at that video after you watch this one. Okay, so this month, this specialty box is Camille Rose, and the name of this box is Her Essentials. And inside this magazine, it tells you the products that are in the box. So we're going to talk about those products right now. This month's box consists of 5 full-size products, and Camille Rose Naturals has a new line, and we received that. It was a specialty box again, and this box was, I believe it was $40, and then you added shipping to that. I think it was $10 for shipping, so it was a $50 box. If I remember correctly. If I'm wrong, I'll annotate it on the screen somewhere. So let's get into it. The first product I see in here is the Nourishing Co-Wash. It's the Courage Nourishing Co-Wash. And this is 8 fluid ounces. It's sealed. It's a very clean smell. It smells like it has lemon in it, but I don't know if it does. I don't think it does, but it's very clean. It's a very refreshing smell. It smells good. I like the smell. So that's the co-wash. The next thing in here is the Restorative Deep Conditioner. Okay, the next thing we have in here is, we have Refreshing Moisture Mist with gardenia and camellia flower. This is the Grace. This is called Grace. Let's smell it. Oh, it's creamy. Oh, it smells just like the other products as well. This smells good. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Next is the Absorbent Detangling Lotion this is the Pure. Hope you can see that. And it too is 8 fluid ounces. So this is a hair replenisher, but it's also detangler. Yep. So let's smell it, see what it smells like. Just like the other products, very clean smell, very light, clean smell. All right, now last but not least is the Defining Curl Smoothie with banana fruit and coconut. It too is 8 fluid ounces. There we go. All right. So let's smell this and see what it smells like. Yep, smells just like the other products. You guys, I am so excited about this line. Her Essentials, the collection. Again, we have the Courage Nourishing Co-Wash. We have the Restorative Deep Conditioner. This is the Strength. So that has protein in it. And this is Strength, it will protein. We have the Absorbent Detangling Lotion. This is the Pure. And we have the Grace Refreshing Moisture Mist. And we have the Beauty Defining Curl Smoothie. There we go. Okay, you guys. I'm excited. I can't wait to try these products. And you know, once I do, I will record it and let you know how it works on this hair. So, again, this is the Hirsch Essentials new collection from Camille Rose. And if you guys have any questions, please leave that in the description box. I did my May CurlBox unboxing, and I'll link it in the cards if you'd like to see that after you watch this video. And if you guys need anything, if you have any questions, if you have any requests, anything you'd like to see on my channel that you haven't seen yet, please link it in the description box. And hope you guys have a great day. Be good. And I will talk to you again soon. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.